problem. For me, here you see the problem area, and as part of that, you have the internal and external world. So I always distinguish on how do you work with internal and how do you work with external sources in this. So that's where you see on top you have the external part, on the bottom you have the internal part, and that will help you to understand how do you work in between. I have always worked with scenarios to understand how the external influences and the internal influences work together to understand what problems you want to solve inside of the innovation ecosystem. And of course, you need to have a reason to build this innovation ecosystem. So if we look into the external forces, external inputs, so there are, of course, trends, mega trends, micro trends, whatever it's going on in the world, that helps you to understand and kind of have a look into the future. So these trends are valid and very input. So then we have the needs, dreams, and desires of your potential clients, of your potential customers, of your existing customers, which you can capture and bring into a scenario perspective. Then you have, of course, internally challenges and strategies set out. So you're not starting from the scratch, and that's not something additional. This innovation ecosystem is helping you to innovate your business in different ways. And of course, that means solving problems as the key point. So internal strategies, internal challenges, external trends, needs, dreams, and desires, which are of course connected to problems in the world and so on, go all into different scenarios. You look into a future setting. Scenarios, if you imagine, that's basically possibilities of the future, which help you to understand how you and your business can act, and then with that perspective, focus on what problems you want to solve. So going into this will help you to what do we want to solve and why do we want to solve this.